Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gravy chana. First, let's gather our ingredients and prepare the chickpeas. Soaking them overnight is key for a tender texture. We'll also need a selection of aromatic spices to build the dish's signature flavor. Then, we'll create a rich, savory base with fresh produce. Finally, we'll combine everything and simmer it to perfection, ensuring a delightful meal for everyone. Properly preparing your chickpeas is the foundation of great gravy chana. Begin by soaking 1 cup of dried chickpeas in plenty of water for at least 8 hours, or even overnight. This step significantly reduces cooking time and improves texture. After soaking, drain and rinse them well. Then, pressure cook them with about 3 cups of fresh water and a small pinch of salt until they are perfectly tender, usually after 3 or 4 whistles. Now let's build the heart of our dish, the flavorful gravy base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and sauté 1 large, finely chopped onion until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Next, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in 2 pureed tomatoes and let it simmer until the oil begins to separate from the mixture. Finally, incorporate 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and salt to taste. With our gravy base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add the cooked chickpeas to the simmering gravy. Then, pour in about 1 cup of water or chickpea broth, adjusting the amount to achieve your preferred gravy consistency. Let the mixture simmer gently on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, garnish your delicious gravy chana with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of bright lemon juice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.